Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale lead generation with LinkedIn, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile and ensure it is fully optimized. Include a professional photo, engaging headline, and detailed summary. Identify your target audience and create a clear customer persona. Use LinkedIn's search feature to find potential leads based on your customer persona. Join relevant groups where your target audience is active. Engage in discussions within these groups to establish your authority. Utilize LinkedIn's advanced search filters to narrow down your prospects by industry, location, and company size. Craft personalized connection requests that highlight common interests or mutual connections. Once connected, start a conversation with your new contacts. Avoid hard selling, instead, focus on building relationships. Share valuable content relevant to your target audience on your feed. Utilize LinkedIn articles to provide in-depth insights and establish thought leadership. Regularly engage with your network by commenting on their posts and sharing their content. Consider using LinkedIn InMail to reach out to prospects directly. Keep your messages concise and to the point, while providing value. Set a routine to regularly follow up with leads who have shown interest. Track your interactions and leads using a CRM to monitor progress. Analyze your results and refine your approach based on what works best. Finally, stay consistent with your efforts to see long-term growth in lead generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.